welcome back to Jazz Kitchen. Today I've decided to cook chicken and sweet corn soup because of quite cold today in Sydney, so I've decided to cook some soup for the family. So to start off with, I cut one medium-sized onion, 2 cloves of garlic. I dice it, chop it really finely small, and about 1.5 inch of ginger, some spring onion, and I bought 500 grams of chicken tenderloin, and I dice it up small to make it like a mince. You can make your own mince, or you can buy the ready-made mince, doesn't matter, but I like it to make it to dice it up myself. Now I also use 2 cans of sweet corn kernels and 1 can of the cream corn. I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and I beat up some 3 eggs in here. So with this is just the ingredient, and then I have my Vegeta salt, pepper, sesame oil, and a little bit of sugar. Okay, so to start off with, you turn on the fire to medium to low, and you probably put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any type of oil you like. Okay, just to make it a little bit warm, and you immediately fry off the onion, garlic, and ginger together. I could smell, I love the smell of garlic and ginger. Smells so good already. Okay, so just put about maybe under a minute to just stir fry the onion, garlic, and ginger. Make sure it's a medium to low heat so you don't burn the onions and ginger and garlic. Okay, now it looks like it's a little bit brown. Okay, I'll add quickly the chicken mince. While I'm waiting for the chicken to simmer, I just add quickly 1 teaspoon of the Vegeta salt, some white pepper, sesame oil, maybe 1 teaspoon at the moment. You're going to add more, and you just keep on stirring it. Alright, so now I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of sugar. And also just a little bit of water so that the chicken can simmer faster. Good. So to have all the juice come up from the chicken. Okay, so now with the chicken and sweet corn soup, I learned this by myself. This is my favorite soup when I go to a restaurant, and I always wonder how to cook this, so I self-taught to cook the chicken and sweet corn soup. So please don't compare me with all the restaurant. Maybe the restaurant have a different style, but this is Jazz Kitchen style. Okay, it looks like the chicken is doing really well, and all the juice is coming up from the chicken. What I'm going to do next now is to add the cream corn. Add it first. Okay. And also the 2 cans of the corn kernels. And a hand scoop of spring onion just to put on top. So what I'm going to do now as well, I'm just going to add more pepper. This time I'm going to use the cracked pepper, the ground cracked pepper. Okay, and now I'm just gonna stir it again. Oh, I just can smell all the garlic and ginger and the onion and spring onion all together. Just so delicious. With the cold weather, guys, this is the favorite dish of my family. We eat it with the Turkish bread toasted. And you just add a cup of water. I don't think it's enough. I'm gonna get more. So maybe 2 or 3 glasses of water, sorry. And that's the third one. Okay. I'm gonna stir it, and I'm just gonna leave it into a medium-low heat to let it cook. It's very quick and easy, guys. So if you want something to be done quickly, this is the recipe for you. Okay, now I'm gonna close it for maybe 20-25 minutes, and then you check it and taste it and add the eggs and the corn flour. See you soon. All right, so looks like it's been simmering for the last 20 minutes. So I'm just gonna stir it. And what I'll do next, I'm just gonna taste it whether there's enough salt. It's delicious. However, I do need to add a little bit more salt. The Vegeta, maybe another half teaspoon, and a little bit more cracked pepper. Okay, so what I'm gonna do next, guys, is to add the eggs. Just when you add the egg, just add it not the one whole go, just a little bit by little bit. Let it simmer, let it boil a little bit, and you just stir it. Okay, and then add a little bit more. Okay, then just wait for a while, and then stir it again. You can see the eggs, it's all becoming all flaky. Okay, I'm going to put the rest of the eggs inside. Now with the eggs, it's optional. Well, if you don't like egg, don't put eggs. If you do like eggs, then put some eggs. But it's all optional. Now it looks like it's coming out together beautifully. So lastly, I'm going to add is the corn flour, just to make the soup a little bit thick. As I said in my previous video, I don't really like anything that's really thick. So I'm just going to put a little bit. Okay, now as you can see, it's starting to get thicker. I don't really like to be too thick. It's all up to you guys. If you like really thick chicken and sweet corn soup, you can add more corn flour, but I like it to not to be so thick. So I think this is already cooked, so I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm just going to try them. So I'm just going to add the soup here. Smells so good, guys. It's really good on a cold day like today. Put a little bit of the spring onion, leftover spring onion. Okay, and what I have done is I've added some black vinegar with soy sauce a little bit. So at the Chinese restaurant, they always serve it with the black vinegar. So just add that, put it on top of the soup. Then you stir them and you just try it. Delicious, guys. Now please watch my channel and try the quick and easy recipe for the chicken and sweet corn soup. Subscribe it, and if you liked and enjoyed the video, please press like. Have a good day. See ya.